Hello friends, I am Jain Ji. This is our channel Jain Social. In 2021 budget speech, Indian Finance Minister has announced India is going to implement 4 new labor codes on April 1st, 2021. What is these labor codes all about? What are the challenges in these codes? How we can rectify these challenges? That we are going to discuss in this video. Why we need first labor codes? Over a long period, though we have n number of laws to make good relationship with the employee and the employer and maintain good working conditions, over a period there is a strong criticism of employer are repeatedly exploiting the rights of employees, and also their working condition is not in proper condition. So in order to rectify those things, these 4 labor codes mainly focusing on to maintain good relationship between employee and employer and good working condition and safety working condition in an organization, and also fixing the minimum wage, finally the providing social security to the employees. But these labor codes are criticized on the ground that they are not assuring enough employment opportunities and social security to the unorganized workers. At the same time, we need to remember that the unorganized workers are the most exploited and vulnerable people. Their working condition mostly very poor and their safety network also poor. Then there won't be continuous employment opportunities for them. Their rights used to be curtailed. So in order to maintain and develop a stable society, we need to assure that unemployment need to be reduced and the employment opportunities continuously assured to the unorganized workers and migrant workers. Now let me see why we need to give importance to the unorganized workers. In India, out of total workforce, 90% of workforce from unorganized workers, which is around 450 million workers. Oxfam's recent global report suggests that there were 122 million people, those who lost the work in 2020, were 75% from unorganized workers. Then in the recent COVID-19 pandemic, the unorganized workers are the most vulnerable people as they are doing daily wages works. Their next day meal used to depend on the today's work. Immediately government when announced lockdown, they were struggled like a fish out of water. Then few of the people try to go to their native places by walk, but on the way, unfortunately, few of them died also. Then few of the people also restricted by the police force and they returned back to the host area. So they were struggled to reach their home as well. If a country need more peace and stability in the society, then it must focus on balanced approach of development. Otherwise, inequality in the society arises. As a result of that, more number of crimes will increase in the society, which will shake the fundamental fabric of the society. At least as a democracy, India must focus on to balanced approach of development. So it must give importance to the vulnerable people, most wanted people, and assure them the social security and the good employment conditions for them. If we look at the common issues in these 4 labor codes, the first one is Aadhaar-based registration. The labor codes insist all workers must register their name in Shram Swedha portal through Aadhaar cards if they want to get benefits under these codes. At the same time, we need to remember that all employees don't have their Aadhaar cards, particularly the migrant workers. They are struggle to get Aadhaar cards because they are keep on moving from state to state for daily livelihoods. As a result of that, it will lead to Aadhaar enabled exclusion because these illiterate people don't know how to register in this portal and how often they need to update their details. So we need to focus on these people as well to register and get registration done in this portal. Then the urban centric nature of this code, as these codes assure that it will provide social security, good safety working condition in the organizations and minimum wages to the employees. At the same time, these unorganized workers won't have any fixed minimum wages because there is a inequality between state to state when they move on to work. Though there is a fixed minimum wage in every state after the intervention of Supreme Court, in unorganized sectors, the owners of not providing wages to the employees based on minimum wage. It mostly depends on the bargaining ability of the employees as well as the working capability of the employees. Now, how can we rectify the loophole in these codes? In the first step, we need to assure social security to the unorganized workers and migrant workers. The recent report of Institute of Human Development, which suggests that about 11 million to 14 million of unorganized workers are most vulnerable. In recent time, India is focusing on to move one nation, one ration card, which is a good step because the unorganized workers, people, particularly the migrant workers, when they move on to work in other states, they can get the good benefit from the ration shop wherever they are working instead of their respective states. Then state-sponsored canteens like Amma Canteen, which provides 3 times food at very cheap price to the poor people, particularly focusing on the migrant workers. In the second step, we must strengthen the MSME sector, that is micro, small, medium enterprises. The MSME sector provide 40% of workforce in the unorganized sector. The MSME sector provide more employment opportunities with low investment. So when these sectors strengthened, then poor people get more employment opportunities, then the social status will there improve. Then we need to focus on to spend the social corporate responsibility, that is the 2% of at least profit need to spend by the corporate sector to the development of society. So these amounts need to be given to the training of poor people, unorganized people to get good employment opportunities. When we bridge the gap between rich and poor in the society, then the social inequality will reduce and which will lead to the peace and stability in the society and stable society. Okay friends, what do you think about this video? The government is planning to implement 4 new labor codes on April 1st, 2021. Do you think it has addressed enoughly the migrant workers and unorganized sector workers? Give your opinion in our comment section. We shall meet again in our next discussion. Until then, take care. Love you all. Bye bye.